嗨，大家好，我是 Rolling Mandarin 的陈老师。提到中国，大家都会想到孔子。那今天我们就来了解一下吧。公元前551年9月28日，孔子出生。孔子姓孔，名丘，字仲尼，是儒家创始人。他一生周游列国，收了许多弟子。他的弟子记录下他的言行，写在《论语》这本书里。孔子的思想影响了中国人的世界观和人生观。
New words. 公元 AD. In mainland China, people use 公元. However, in Taiwan, people use the word 西元 to describe the same concept. 公元前字 The ancient Chinese had surname 姓 given name 名 as well as style name 字 and pseudonym 号. What are the differences of those names? If you could travel back to the period when Confucius lived, what would you call him? The given name and the style name, both are usually given by parents or the elders in the family. They will call you with your given name. However, when you hang out with your friends, you will be called by your style name. 号 is a name that you can create for yourself and use it when you want to address yourself. Or after death, the other people will give you posthumous title to sum up your life. For example, the famous poet Li Bai in the Tang Dynasty of China, his parents call him Li Bai, his friends call him Tai Bai, and he calls himself as 清廉居士. Li Bai is his family name plus given name. Tai Bai is the style name. And 清廉居士 is his pseudonym. 号. The Chinese place a great value on a person's name. For the elder generation, the name usually contains 3 characters. The first character is the surname, indicating the family that he or she comes from. The second or the third character normally refers to generation. All people from the same generation in one family should use the same character or at least a character with the same or similar pronunciation in their names. The last character is the real given name. In this text, Confucius' surname is Kong, and his given name is Qiu. His parents will call him Kong Qiu. His friends call him Zhong Ni. Zhong means second. He is the second eldest child in the family, and that is why Confucius is also called as Kong Lao Er. 创始人周游列国周游列国 is a fixed structure to describe a person is traveling around the world. 记录言行在理影响 Ying is a third tone and xiang is also a third tone. So here you have to pronounce ying into second tone. Again, 影响 影响 often will be used in the structure of somebody or something 影响了 somebody or something else. For example, 孔子影响了我。影响 can also be used as a noun. The fixed verb for it is 产生。The previous sentence can be changed into another structure for the same meaning by using 影响 as a noun. 孔子影响了我 equals to 孔子对我产生了影响。In the first sentence, 影响 is a verb. In the second sentence, 影响 is a noun. 世界观，人生观。
公元前551年9月28日，孔子出生。孔子姓孔，名丘，字仲尼，是儒家创始人。他一生周游列国，收了许多弟子。他的弟子记录下他的言行，写在《论语》这本书里。孔子的思想影响了中国人的世界观和人生观。孔子是春秋战国时期著名的思想家之一。想了解这个时期更多的思想家，记得看我们其他的视频，还有点赞关注 Rolling Mandarin。